Hello, thank you for watching this guidance interview walkthrough. Today I'll be demonstrating how a guidance secretary can schedule appointments on behalf of students. To start, sign in to your guidance interview scheduling page and navigate to the appointments screen. Then make sure that you have selected the schedule for the guidance counselor you'd like to book the student with. Now there's two options. If the guidance counselor has available appointment slots, all you have to do is, for the appointment time the student would like to meet with the counselor, click the blue schedule button. Then you'll need to select the student's name from the school list. Now this may be a long list. It is alphabetized by student last name. So I recommend starting to type the last name of the student. So if the student's last name is Hux, you start typing their name and it'll take you to the H's if you started typing the letter H. So then just select the student. Then select the reason that the student wants to have an appointment from this drop-down menu. Then you might like to just fill in a little note here. So, as per your request for an appointment. And then all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and click this blue Send Appointment Notice. So that's all you would have to do to make an appointment if there is an available appointment slot. If there's not, for example, we have appointments on Wednesday, February the 23rd, Friday, February the 25th. Maybe the student needs an appointment for Thursday, February 24th. All you have to do is go to the student's page, then use this search bar to find the student. So if I put the student's last name in here, I find them on the list and I click the blue schedule button the same way we did before. You then select the guidance counselor from this drop-down menu, the appointment date you'd like to make the appointment on, the reason for the appointment, and let's just say the appointment time is 10 a.m. and it's a 20-minute appointment. Again, you have an option of maybe writing a note to the student. And then click the blue Send Appointment Notice button. And if we go back to that guidance counselor's schedule, we now see that we've booked an appointment Thursday, February the 24th at 10 a.m. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walkthrough video. If you have any questions or need assistance, please email support@guidanceinterview.com for assistance.